Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what I have? The April AIA Beauty Bundle. And it is super light. Which at first you might go, oh, that sucks. But no, skincare is super heavy. When it's light, it means we got makeup. I'm excited. This month's influencer is Nudestix. Yay! Just in case anyone isn't aware of what the AIA Beauty Bundle is, the American Influencer Beauty Bundle is a monthly beauty subscription that is $35 a month, and it is curated by one specific brand or influencer. So for example, this month is Nudestix, last month was Alicia Keys Soul Care, a previous month was MAC, one month was ColourPop. You get the picture. So instead of just random products from different brands, it's an all-up, one brand, one influencer selected box. Does come with a card, spoiler alert, which has a picture and identifies who the brand is, and on the back it will have the products with the pricing. Okay, enough rambling. Let me dive in and grab the first product. What is this? This here is the Citrus Sea Mask and Daily Moisturizer. It has yuzu and turmeric. What is it? I know what a daily moisturizer is, but when I hear the word mask, I think it's something you gotta put on, let sit, and then take off. I'm very curious. Okay, so it says that you can wear it under makeup in the morning or leave it on your face overnight as a mask. I'm hearing the term mask for what in the past I've called like a night cream. So the word mask gets me on edge. All right, excellent. And I did not know Nudestix had skincare. The Daily Moisturizing Mask is 60 ml and retails for $38. All right, next item. What is this? This here is the Nudes Bronze in the shade Sunkissed. I got a sample version of this product in my Allure box. No, Macy's box from March. I don't know, one of those two boxes. It was a different shade than this. So, ooh. Okay, so to me this is more of a blush shade, but they call it a bronzer. Interesting how as I'm wiping, it's disappearing. Let me read what the card has to say. Okay, so this is one of those multitasking products. You can use it on your cheeks, eyes, or lips, and it retails for $34. All right, next item. What is this? This looks to be a lip product. Yep, this is the Magnetic Matte Lip Color in the shade Boho. Let's do a swatch. It does come safety sealed, which is nice. Let me know. Do you guys pick up Nudestix? And where are they sold? Is this something like you just get at Ulta, or is it Sephora only? Or can you get this at like a Target or Walmart? All right, there is the shade there. Hindsight's 2020. That is a little darker than I might normally wear, but hey, it's already swatched. Let's see what it looks like on my face. Not too shabby. Is it meant to go over the entire lip? Yes. Was I using it more as like a lip liner? Sort of. I have the new Rihanna lip gloss balm, whatever it's called, and I didn't want that to move. So anyways, give me your thoughts. Yes. All right. What does this retail for? Yowza, a little pricey for me, but this retails for $26. All right, let's see what else came in this box. What do we have here? Is this another lip liner? No, this is a metallic luminous eye color. Ooh, okay, yes. I've been into these kind of shimmery pencils lately because it makes it so easy just to get into the inner corner and to use for the brow bone. Again, it is safety sealed, which on one hand is nice when you're filming and you struggle is not so nice. Give me a second. Okay, it's kind of like a champagne-y gold color. Right there. The card says that this retails for $26, so the same as the lip pencil. And that this is a 4-in-1 pencil, which can be used as eyeshadow, eyelid primer, eyeliner pencil, and cream highlighter. Let's test it out in the corner of my eyes, which were already filled in. Yeah, so I'll be excited to give this a try. All right, what else came in this box? We have what looks to be a mascara, yes. Not waterproof, so I will leave the plastic wrap on the product and keep it sealed. This will go into a future giveaway. It retails for $28, and it's a Lash Lengthening Mascara. All right, let's recap everything that came in this box, which I'm super excited about because it's all makeup. So we got a mascara, a multitasking Nudies bronze in Sunkissed, a daily moisturizer, a matte lip crayon, and a 4-in-1 eyeshadow crayon. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, what a great box. We got a little bit of skincare, and the majority is makeup. And to be honest, I have not tried products from Nudestix. So this is a great way for me to dip my toe into this brand by spending $35 on a beauty subscription box. And I'm guaranteeing this will be well over $100 worth of products. Let me know your thoughts. I'm going to list the MSRP value of this box, and we shall see what everything's worth. Based off of what I read, the cards, most items were upwards of $25, and we got 5 items. So yes, the value will probably be 160 plus, which is pretty darn good. So let me know, what did you think of this box? Do you enjoy products from Nudestix? Or are you like me, where this is like a new brand to you? All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. If you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.